Hello, my name is A.J. Swanepoel. I have completed my teaching practice at Teska Memorial Primary School in grade 2. One of my main achievements was building strong relationships with learners with help create a positive classroom atmosphere. I also improved my lesson delivery using a range of teaching strategies, and I received encouraging feedback from my mentor. Key challenges in what I have learned. First was classroom management. Some learners were disruptive early on. I addressed this by setting clear rules, by being consistent and using positive reinforcement, which helped improve behavior. Second was time management in lessons. I often ran out of time, so I started planning more carefully and used a timer to stay on track. What I learned from this teaching practice is this second-year experience taught me how to adapt to real classroom situations and to always be prepared. I have learned to align activities with outcomes, assess learners effectively, and reflect on my teaching to improve. Personally, I have become more confident, resilient, and patient. Overall, this teaching practice helped me grow, both as a future teacher and as a person. It confirmed my passion for teaching and helped me develop the practical skills I need to succeed. Thank you. Have a nice day.